Alright guys, back again with another video. Just for the people that don't understand, today we're going to be talking about organic rankings versus local SEO rankings. So, my boy Jackie actually made this picture right here, just so you guys get oh, I'm not even showing my screen, give me 1 second. There. Oh, now I'm not showing myself. Okay, there. My boy Jackie made this picture right here just to show you guys exactly what the difference is. So as you can see, we call this right here, I don't know, yeah, there you go. We call this the snack pack, the first three businesses that show up, and then everything below that, which is just regular websites, that's organic SEO. So today we're going to be covering the differences, the difference in ranking in both of those areas, and which one would be best to rank in, and just in general how it works. So stay tuned to see if organic or local SEO would be better for your business. So before we start going between the ranking factors, I just want to say that they do supplement each other. So for example, if you do rank in the snack pack, you're probably more likely to rank organically as well. This company right here, this is actually one of my clients. They're not showing up organically for a few pages. But anyways, yeah, let's get on to the ranking factors. And obviously, for those of you who don't know, this is just ads. You pay Google directly to be here. But guess what? After you stop paying Google, it's not there anymore. That's why SEO is better, because once you're done it stays there pretty much for as long as your competitors don't take you out. So yeah. So main ranking factor for local is actually going to be the distance of your location from the searchers. So right here, this map, this is for the keyword custom pool builders. So let's say you're searching up from where this star is right here. You're going to appear third on the local pack, compared to if you're searching up from here, you're going to appear fifth. So biggest ranking factor for local SEO is going to be proximity of the searcher from where the location of the business is. So that's just something that's unavoidable. So a best practice would be to get a location, in the center of the city pretty much, so you can rank out and expand to all further areas. But yeah, that's inevitable. That's the main ranking factor for local. Okay, so I haven't put much stuff on the screen because honestly, local ranking factors, there's so many little details that make up most of the impact. So this is just some basic stuff. I'm actually working on a SOP, a standard operating procedure, to get your ranking high locally. So once I'm done with that, I'm definitely going to be sending that out. Comment local SEO SOP if you want me to send it to you. I'll just reply to your comment and send it to you. And a little bit more news, I'm actually also working on a free Discord server for you guys. Probably going to be done this week. Going to be free up until I have a certain amount of members that are going to be dropping a lot of game in there. So I'm going to start charging probably after like 40 members or so. So definitely stay tuned to join that. You don't want to miss out on that. It's going to be solely based around the whole rank and rent model, the whole lead gen thing. If you don't know what that is, watch this video. Wait, watch this video right here. I'm gonna put it up right here. And yeah, but anyways, basic local SEO ranking factors. Number one is going to be distance from searcher, just as we talked about previously. Number two is going to be your NAPW citations. Pretty much what that is, I've talked about it in previous videos. It's mentions of your name, address, phone number, and website on other websites. So this also helps with this also helps with organic SEO, because when your website's getting mentioned, those are also backlinks. So even if I'm not doing local SEO for a website, I still get the citations, because the website mentions serve as a good base for foundational backlinks. So those are the first two things. Number three is going to be review count and velocity. Some people mistake it for only count, but velocity matters just as much actually, because let's say you get 100 reviews within the span of like, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. If you got those reviews, and then for the next like 2 to 3 months you only get 20 reviews, it's going to show Google that your business isn't as active and getting as many reviews. So that's a big ranking factor as well. So velocity matters just as much as count. Make sure you're constantly getting reviews if you want to be shown on the local pack. Number four, business profile completely filled out and optimized. That means having every section of your Google business profile optimized and, everything filled out. For example, your category section, your Q&A section, replying to all reviews as well, your NAPW, what else? Constant updates as well. I think that's about it, right? I don't know if I'm missing something, put it down in the comments, but that's pretty much it. So yeah, these are all the basic local SEO ranking factors pretty much. So, organic SEO ranking factors, watch this video right here. I go into depth about all the ranking factors. I go into depth on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, all that good stuff. So if you want to learn about that, just watch this video right here. But yeah, guys, just a few quick self promos. Discord is going to be available real soon this week. Second thing, if you want me to take care of all your organic SEO or all your local SEO or anything to do with SEO, website development, I have a form down below where you can schedule a meeting with me. Literally just no sales pitch, no nothing, just free value so we can see how we can help your business. What else? Yeah, it's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. See you guys on the next video.